Today I'm going to show you what a 25 years old washer looks like inside, because I have to open it up and did some cleaning. And here we go. Okay, this is it. So inner top, outer top, the lid, that's the water inlet. When I first opened it up, it was full of soap scums and all sticking on the lid, so I spent quite a bit of time scrubbing, clean up all the soap scum, and then see there's some rust spots there. So out. You still can see, you may be able to see at the bottom, that's what it is, the yellow brownish stuff that's sticking. So that's the scum that I'm talking about. It's really dirty. I cannot get my hand down there, so I cannot really wipe it. So, but I'm trying to use some chemical and do a wash and see whether it will go away. This machine runs fine and no problem, but I'm thinking it won't last much longer because of the rust. Most of the problem, I would say half of the problem of washer is not the motor, it's not running, it's actually leaking. The leaking from the pump, from the top, and then you need to get a new one. So that's it. This is it. This is inside of an older model, 25 years old washing machine. Thank you for watching. Thanks.